Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Here I am back with a new video in which I'm gonna show you how I've developed a music player using Python, that is using tkinter and pygames. So let's get started. Hi guys, myself Mohammad Nayaz. I have developed this music player using tkinter and using pygames. So let me execute this. So first I have run this code. Now I will execute this one. So as you can see, this is a music player designed by myself. So let me play a song and show you. So this has a volume button. We have pause button, unpause. You can use stop, play. So this will rewind the music. You can pause it. You can change the song and play it. So we can do changes like this. Thank you for watching this. I hope you like this project. If you want the source code of this project, check out the description and contact me. Feel free to contact me. I will send you the source code. Thank you.